15-minute tofu stir-fry. Quick, fresh, totally plant-powered. Pan-fry tofu till golden. Sauté garlic and veggies. Stir-fry 4 to 5 minutes. Mix soy sauce, maple syrup, and cornstarch. Pour sauce and return tofu. Stir well and cook 2 more minutes. Serve with rice or noodles. Garnish and enjoy. Let's talk tofu, a humble ingredient with an ancient history. Tofu, or bean curd, originated over 2,000 years ago in China. It's made by curdling fresh soy milk, much like cheese making, and then pressing it into blocks. It comes in a variety of textures, from silky soft to extra firm, making it incredibly versatile for frying, baking, or blending into smoothies and sauces. Tofu is a plant-based protein powerhouse. Just half a cup of firm tofu gives you around 10 grams of protein, plus iron, calcium, and all 9 essential amino acids. It's also low in calories and naturally gluten-free, a perfect choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone wanting to eat clean and balanced. So now you have idea how tofu is made. Tried it? Tell us your go-to veggie stir-fry combo. Don't forget to bookmark this for Meatless Mondays.